Today is Rose Day. I want to do something special today. Good morning, sir. Good morning. I want to buy a rose.
For whom is the rose?
For someone very important. Red rose is for love. Pink is for care. I will take the red one.
Aha. Arjun, you are early today.
Yes. I wanted to see you first.
Why are you smiling so much?
Because today is Rose Day. This is for you.
Yes.
Happy Rose Day, Meera.
It is very beautiful. This park looks fresh today.
Everything feels fresh when I am with you.
You always talk nicely.
I speak from my heart.
This rose smells sweet. You make me smile. Why did you choose a red rose?
Because red means love.